First, open Code Editor and make a simple file by naming .py. Then go to Terminal and type pip install qrcode, and in bracket, use pile for image generation. Now import that library and set variable as URL and give it file path. Here you have to locate that location you want to use on your PC. Then make a QR code object as QR and get it access to the URL. Now make image object and print it. Look here, I pasted a URL and it will make me a photo of a QR code in my saved location.